So today I'm taking my two girls hiking. Me and Riley have been doing a new hike every month of the year this year, and it's almost the end of July, so we got to get our July hike in, and we're bringing Maple for the first time, so hopefully she does good. She loves going on walks, so I think she'll be all good. But are you excited, girls?
Yeah.
All right, we just made it to our trailhead, which is over there, and it is 9:41. It's very cloudy, so I'm hoping that we can get this in before the storm comes. If it rains, that's gonna be okay, but if it starts thundering and lightning, that won't be good. Are you excited, girls?
Yeah.
Let's go. Riley and me actually tried to do this one back in March, but it had just rained a lot the week before, so it was like completely flooded. I think I still have some video from that, so I'll put it in so you can see, but like all of this that's green was underwater, and so was this sign. Like we couldn't even walk past right here. It was just like water everywhere.
We could walk on here,
Yeah.
but there was water on the brown part.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep. Got some bugs flying in your face? Yeah.
They keep flying in my eye.
Yeah, me too. It is pretty muddy. Our shoes are gonna need to be washed. Maple's doing great so far. So is Riley. Look at this tree, mates. Whoa. That's a big tree that fell, huh? That's huge. Yeah. It is so beautiful here, and because it's cloudy, it actually feels very like Pacific Northwesty, and I love it. Are you having fun, Riley?
Yeah.
Riley said, no, I'm not. I don't know why. She's just not feeling it today, but Maple's having fun. Are you having fun?
I'm having fun in the mud.
You're having fun in the mud?
Then I'll open my shoes.
You are getting it all over your shoes.
Yeah. One side.
Yeah, we'll have to clean those when we get home, huh? What is it?
Mushroom.
Yep.
It's cool.
It is cool.
Not that fun.
You want to step on it?
Yeah.
Why? That kills it. Let's let it live. You like hiking?
Yeah.
What is it?
A waterfall.
A waterfall?
That's what fills it up.
Yeah.
There's salmon in it.
Is there sea animals in it?
Yeah.
There's probably some fishies.
I see a dot.
I see those ducks too.
Why? They're cute.
It's a race to the car. Who will win? Me. It is so humid. I'm so wetting. Riley is so happy we're done. She was such a joy today. Just finished loading up the car with the girls, and we had to take our shoes off and everything. It's like I just got out of the shower. It's literally still cloudy. It's not even that hot, but the humidity, especially I guess because the water right here, and it rained last night, I'm so sweaty. We're home now, obviously, and Dave just left to go to Home Depot with Maple to pick up something real quick, and me and Riley are here painting these cute little pots. I got these cute little succulents and pots from my work, and they were left over. So just having a little crafty time. And Declan's still asleep, so that's good. What are you painting on this pot?
A rainbow.
Rainbow. Just made a rainbow one. She also did this one, a bunch of polka dots. And I'm working on this one right now. So cute. And I already did this one. Cute. Riley doesn't like it though.
I still like it, just not the black color.
Just not the black color. We're letting our pots dry. And Dave got home. Maple's down for a nap. Declan finally woke up from his nap. And Dave and Riley are swimming. Still cloudy, but no rain. Good job. Who's that cute baby? Riley, get over here and see if we can get him. Can you come to Sissy? Hey, come here.
Come here, Declan. Come here, John. Come here, John.
He says Sissy's so silly. Yeah? You like how we have to have like everything blocked off with pillows and part of the play couch so you can't escape? We're gonna plant these three right
There's
now.
like ants crawling up that path.
There's ants everywhere. And this one's Riley's rainbow one. She picked out these two.
Maybe this one
Which-
could go in here.
I think the storm is finally coming. Look how cutie!
Yeah.
All right, these are Riley's.
There can be your too.
Riley's cute little succulents. I'm gonna plant this one for us to put in the playroom. Does that work?
Yeah.
Maple just got up from her nap and now she's painting her little pot. What are you painting on it?
Doing polka.
You doing polka dots?
Yeah. Why?
Like Riley.
Yeah.
Monkey see, monkey do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting technique, Mapes. You did polka dots first, and now you're just covering all the polka dots up with purple. What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Mine too!
And anti-color.
And anti-color. If you didn't know what anti-color is, it's this color, or pretty much any version of this color, right?
Anti-color.
You want more anti-color?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mapes, you finished painting. Now what do we gotta do?
Take our time. First, let's sing the song. While Maple takes it off.
Okay, sing the song.
We're counting down to Maple's birthday. Oh, yeah.
That's not the song. We're counting down to birthday. We're counting down to presents. We're counting down to trip. One day closer to birthday. Cause it's Maple's birthday countdown. Yeah. Where are we going on your birthday?
To Atlanta.
To Atlanta.
I'm going for a walk.
You wanna go for a walk? I don't think we're gonna be able to go for a walk tonight because it's raining. Look at Finney. He's hiding because it's raining. Are you excited to go to Atlanta?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do while we're in Atlanta with Auntie?
A sleepover?
Have a
With
sleepover
Declan?
with Declan and Auntie.
Is Declan gonna be in the room?
No, probably just Auntie. Babies don't do so well for sleepovers.
Mama, take that from me. Yeah.
Dave just built this handy dandy stool because the girls have been really into helping and everything in the kitchen. So now they can not fight over this, they can fight over this. Good job, Ruff.
On that side. Uh-oh.
Oh, and now we don't have room for a chonk too. How long till he crawls up it and falls off?
5 seconds.
Oh,
Get a nice step.
yeah.
Declan height.
Oh no. Dave is putting the girls down and Declan's staying up late because he took a really late nap, but he's being super giggly. A boo. He's so cute. When you're happy.
That's what I told him the other day.
You're not very happy very often. Yay, Declan! A boo! Boo! A boo! Over it. All these toys, and he's literally over here just trying to pick up the carpet to put little carpet pieces in his mouth. You're such a baby. Don't buy your babies toys. They don't want them. They just want remotes, Tupperware, cords. I'm not saying buy your babies cords, but they don't want toys. Brushes. You could buy your baby a brush, hairbrush. It's Sunday now, and we're going to the McWane Center. We brought the girls here and Declan for the first time like a month ago, and they are open late tonight for members, so we're gonna be here for a few hours. The girls had so much fun last time, so they're super excited. Aren't you?
Yeah. Are you excited to play the baby spot?
The last time we were here, Riley like immediately saw these and she was like, "Is that a chrysalis?" And I was like, yes it is. She's so smart. Are you having fun, Chomp? He just like put his head against Riley wins.
We are on our way home from the McWane Center, and baby boy just started losing his mind because he's hungry.
I love how you still call him baby boy.
My baby boy.
Everyone else calls him Chonk, Chonkers, or Declan, and you almost always call him baby boy.
Because he's my baby boy.
It's cute.
And Mabel asks for mommy, says mommy, mommy, mommy every 2 seconds.
I'm like, Daddy's in the car too, can you please?
I do not exist.
It's so weird. And she never really has anything to say specifically.
Yeah, she wants your attention.
They had so much fun though.
Yeah, they could probably be there till 2 a.m. playing before they fell asleep.
They were open late for members tonight till 6:30, so that was nice because we got to kind of just get Declan a good nap and then eat lunch and then come. So
yep.
Yeah.
Plus there were less people.
Yes.
It was very nice.
Riley is so cute playing like the kitchen area and the store area. It's just adorable.
Yeah. Just creative.
And Declan liked crawling around in the baby area.
Good little guy.
Hopefully he'll take a little nap on the way home, and hopefully Maple will too.
For the love of God. I mean, it's gonna be dinner, bed.
Yes, that's definitely for her. You got it.
Dad, you're a prince out. I'm gonna put on my shirt.
Okay. Come here. This girl and Declan both fell asleep on the way home, and she woke up very cranky, so they got a special dinner where they got to watch TV, which never happens. Now we're getting everybody ready for bed because it's late. You ready to go night-night?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need to check it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard.
Yes, it is. What's the name of where we went?
To my center.
The McWane Center. You say night-night?
Night-night. Yeah.
What do you always say when I put Declan down?
Good night, Owie.
He's so cute. Mama loves you. Some moms are big. Some mamas are small. Some mamas can swim. Some mamas can fly. Like your mommy loves you. The end. How I wonder what you want. I know, I love you. I love you. Did you have a good dinner?
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Going to kitchen bird.
At the kitchen? Yeah, that was fun, huh?
Let's just call it a play kitchen.
It is kind of, it's like a play restaurant. It's like a restaurant kitchen. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what do we say?
See you next time.
Bye.